In this video, I'll show you how to remove your phone number from your Facebook account. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap the three horizontal lines icon in the corner of the screen to open the menu. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. On the Settings page, look for the Account Center option and tap on it. Inside Account Center, tap Personal Details, then select Contact Info. Here you will see the phone number that is connected to your account. Tap on the phone number to open its details. On the next screen, look for the Delete or Remove option and tap on it. Facebook may ask you to confirm your choice and enter your password for security. After confirming, the phone number will be removed from your account. Keep in mind that if your phone number is used for login or security features like two-factor authentication, you may need to add another contact method before removing it. That's how you can remove your phone number from Facebook. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.